Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. Are you ready to watch a dollar turn into a fortune? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share how I am turning a small investment into real wealth and how you can do the same through smart, strategic investing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your financial future, this journey is for you. Building wealth through investing is a dream for many, but it's often seen as a complex and intimidating world. However, with the right mindset and strategies, anyone can achieve financial freedom. Investing is not just for the wealthy. It's a tool that can be used by anyone to build long-term wealth. By making smart investment choices, you can grow your money over time and achieve your financial goals. Investing allows you to put your money to work for you, generating passive income and increasing your net worth. It's a way to build wealth that can be passed down to future generations. Many people think that investing is only for experts or those with a lot of money, but that's not true. With a little education and planning, anyone can start investing and building wealth. Some people think investing is too complicated, while others believe they don't have enough money to get started. But the truth is, investing can be simple and accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a financial expert to start investing, and you don't need a lot of money to begin. Many people are held back by fear of losing money, but the key is to understand the risks and make informed decisions. By educating yourself and taking a thoughtful approach, you can minimize your risks and maximize your returns. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your financial goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. There are many misconceptions about investing, such as the idea that you need to be an expert or have a lot of money. Another common misconception is that investing is only for the short term. However, investing is a long-term game. It's essential to have a long-term perspective when making investment decisions. Some people believe that investing is only for those who are already wealthy, but that's not true. Anyone can start investing, regardless of their income or net worth. What's more, investing can be a great way to build wealth over time, even with a small amount of money. Fear of the unknown can hold people back from investing, but it's essential to face your fears and take action. By starting small and being consistent, you can build your confidence and become a successful investor. Many people have successfully built wealth through investing, and you can too. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a way to build wealth over time. It requires patience, discipline, and a solid understanding of the investment options available. By taking the time to educate yourself and create a solid investment plan, you can achieve your financial goals. Stocks are one of the most popular investment options, offering the potential for high returns over the long term. By buying shares of established companies, you can participate in their growth and profits. Real estate investing is another popular option, providing a tangible asset that can generate rental income and appreciate in value. Mutual funds are a great option for those who want to diversify their portfolio and invest in a variety of assets. They offer a way to pool your money with others and invest in a range of stocks, bonds, or other securities. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are similar to mutual funds but trade on an exchange like stocks. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without directly owning physical properties. They provide a way to diversify your portfolio and generate rental income. Another option is peer-to-peer lending, which allows you to lend money to individuals or small businesses. Diversification is a key strategy for successful investing, as it helps to minimize risk and maximize returns. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can reduce your exposure to any one particular market or sector. Diversified portfolio can help you ride out market fluctuations and achieve your long-term financial goals. Starting early is also crucial, as it allows your money to grow over time. Even small, consistent investments can add up to a significant amount over the years. Compound interest can work in your favor, generating returns on your returns and helping your wealth grow exponentially. Long-term planning is essential for successful investing. By setting clear financial goals and creating a solid investment plan, you can stay focused and motivated. It's essential to regularly review and adjust your plan as needed to ensure you're on track to achieve your goals. To build wealth through investing, you need to be patient and disciplined. It's essential to avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Instead, focus on your long-term goals and stick to your investment plan. In summary, getting rich through investing is not a myth, but it does require the right mindset and strategies. By understanding the different types of investments and key strategies for success, you can build wealth over time. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. With the right approach, anyone can achieve financial freedom through investing. It's essential to educate yourself, be patient, and stay focused on your long-term goals. By following these principles, you can build wealth and achieve financial success. So, what's stopping you from starting your investing journey today? Let me know in the comments. Have you already started investing? Or are you planning to start? I'd love to hear about your goals and experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more tips on financial literacy, wealth building, and smart money moves. Let's grow together one smart investment at a time.